Welcome back. In another 2 days, the fate of our planet will be decided by 192 countries. The historic United Nations Climate Change Conference will be held at Copenhagen in Denmark. And one movement is taking the lead to spread this message across the world. Have a look.
Copenhagen is a movement urging everyone to build a better future for our planet and a more sustainable way of life. It is a movement that hopes to create a global community that will lead our leaders to make the right decisions. Copenhagen is a movement generated by the International Advertising Association representing the global advertising industry in support of the United Nations. And their mission is to connect every person, every city and every nation to Copenhagen to create a movement that's powerful enough to influence change. The website Copenhagen is urging every person to sign the UN climate petition. The website too is derived and articulated on the basis of Copenhagen Conference. 192 countries will converge for 12 days at the United Nations Climate Change Conference at Copenhagen, Denmark. And their goal will be to agree on a new deal after the Kyoto Protocol expires in 2012. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in December 1997 in Kyoto, Japan by 187 countries. But America, being the largest polluter in terms of carbon emissions, was not a part of this protocol. The aim will now be to have a consensus to limit future carbon emissions and minimize the effects of climate control. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Tourism in Goa had a negative impact on the state over the years. Issues like pedophilia, drug abuse and other problems have slowly risen due to tourism. All these problems have been addressed in a new book released by the Center for Responsible Tourism.
The Center for Responsible Tourism is an initiative of Caritas Goa and Council for Social Justice and Peace. CRT has been actively involved in various works across Goa. The book titled The Challenge and Prospects of Tourism in Goa Today is a critique of the work engaged by them with different communities and stakeholders involved in the tourism industry in Goa. Another book titled Claiming the Right to Say No highlights the research done by the Rashol seminarians on the lifestyle of Israelis in Goa. Both the books were released by the Archbishop of Goa, Father Philip Neri Ferrand.
In the first book we have critiqued our work that we have engaged in with regard to working with different community groups, stakeholders engaged in tourism directly, indirectly, of how we have enabled the people to form themselves into community groups in order to form their federations, associations, by which they could voice on a common platform before the government and the other authorities to speak about their aspirations and their needs, to see that the benefits of tourism are first enjoyed by the local communities.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
And before we head in for a short break, let's have a look at some other happenings in the state.
Archbishop Patriarch of Goa and Daman, Philip Neri Ferrand, on Friday released a book, Chronologia da Congregação do Oratoria at Instituto Camões in Panaji. This book is published by Sebastião de Riego. The original manuscript at the Biblioteca de Ajuda has 669 pages. This work has been edited and published with 40 pages introduction, comments and references by Indo-Portuguese historian Dr. Maria Lopes. A loaded truck moving towards Mapsa accidentally skidded at Porvorim on Friday. The truck was coming from Panaji to unload in Mapsa when the tire of the truck got punctured and skidded on the dividers. Fortunately, nothing happened to the driver, but during that period there was a lot of traffic congestion at Porvorim. However, the traffic police managed to handle the traffic after a while. Tribhuvandas Bhimji Zaveri and Sons are having an exhibition at Margao in Panchashil Hotel for 2 days. Sunday is the last day of the exhibition. Chief Minister's wife Asha Kamath inaugurated the exhibition. Manager Rohit Kapadia informed that they would be holding the same exhibition at Panaji in Taj Hotel from Monday. He further told us that they get good response in Goa. After every 3 months, this exhibition is held in Goa with new designs and collections by Zaveri brothers. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time now for another short break. News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.